Okay, we're going to do example 2 here. So let me get into it here. Press the wrong key. There we go. I'm going to go to the slide example 2. And we'll quickly do that example. And it looks like a tricky example, but really I think people psych themselves out and forget what they already know how to do. So what we need to do is show, we know we have this big triangle ABC, and we know that this is parallel to this. Okay? Because they told us that right there. And then use algebra. So I'm going to get my better stylus here to write with. So we know that if we cross multiply here, we're going to get A whoop, made a mistake there. Seem to be having pen issues here. I'm going to erase all that on there. If we do it again, we're going to have A, D, we cross multiply there, we're going to have B, C. Okay? Somebody going, well, big deal. Well, it's not a big deal, right? But what we do know is, we go here, we've got, since these are parallel, remember these were parallel, A, we know that the triangles are similar. Remember the triangles are similar? You may not remember, so I better go back and do that. A plus C equals B over B plus D. Okay, some of you are going, well, how do we know that's true? How do we know the triangles are similar? Well, remember, both triangles share angle A, and we said these are parallel, so the corresponding angles are congruent. So they're similar by A. Okay, and again, we talked about this at length, so there's lots of different ways to show that. Well, if this is the same as this, then when you cross multiply, you get the same thing. So I'm going to cross multiply that. I'm going to get A times B plus D equals B times A plus C. B times A plus C. And this is supposed to be an equal sign here. Okay? So, distribute AB plus AD equals AB, I'm just going to write it in reverse order, plus BC. Oh, we've got AB on both sides, so subtract AB. Good night, Irene. Hasta la vista, baby. And what do we get? Voila! This is the same as this. I'm going to feel like algebra heroes now. So before you break your arm and pat yourself on the back for doing that, remember that if you do the second step, or cross multiply, if the two proportions are equal, if the second step gives you the same answer, and they do. So we've used algebra to show that this is in proportion. Well, we know it's in proportion, but knowing that we can just go A divided by C equals B divided by D.